Hello kids and welcome back to my channel Naveen Siksha 1, and in this video I am presenting you the last story of Unit 10, The Grasshopper and the Ant. First of all we will read it and then I will explain this story in Hindi. So just read it, this story, okay? Once there lived a lazy grasshopper. He didn't like to work. All day long he sang songs and played in the warm sunshine. He, look at me. I am as happy as can be. The grasshopper laughed at the hard-working ants as they worked day and night. We are sorting grains for the long winter ahead, they replied. The lazy grasshopper only laughed louder. Summer ended, and the cold winter arrived, and the wind blew strong, and it started snowing. The grasshopper now began to worry. There is no food to eat, no grass, no flower or leaves. I can't even I can't see even the tiniest fly or the worm. What will I do? I will surely starve, he cried. Let me meet my kind neighbor the ant. The grasshopper remembered how the hard-working ant had stored away grain for the winter. He knocked at the door. Dear aunt, I am hungry and cold. I have nothing to eat. Please, can you give me some food? The ant shook in anger. Lazy one, what were you doing all the summer? You were only singing and dancing. You should have thought of the cold winter's months ahead. Go away. She slammed her door shut. The lazy grasshopper was left as hungry as before. Now, children, in this story, just see the hard working of the ants. So, you should be a hard worker in your life because it always gives you happiness and it will always gives you the height in your life. Okay, then only you can achieve anything in your life. Don't become like a grasshopper. Try to copy the ants. Okay, now come to the Hindi version of this. एक बार एक ग्रास हॉपर था। वो आराम से बैठ के धूप सेकता था, गाना गाता था, डांस करता था। और जो उसके पास में छोटी छोटी आंट्स थी वो बहुत हार्ड वर्क करती, उनको देखकर हंसता भी था। कहता देखो मैं कितने मज़े में आराम कर रहा हूँ। तो वो कहती थी अरे हम तो सर्दियों के लिए अपने लिए खाना इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं। तो लेजी ग्रास हॉपर जो था उन पर खूब तेज हंसता था। अब समर्स चली गई और विंटर्स आ गई। जब विंटर आई तो सारी जगह पर स्नो आ गया और कोई पेड़ पत्ता कोई चीज़ वो खाने के लिए नहीं मिली। तो एक दिन वो बहुत भूखा था और अपने दोस्त के पास गया कि मैं बहुत भूखा हूँ, मुझे बहुत ठंड लग रही है, कुछ भी मेरे पास खाने के लिए नहीं, क्या तुम मुझे कुछ खाना दे सकते हो? तो नाइट्स ने कहा नहीं, क्योंकि तुम बहुत लेजी हो और पूरे समर्स तुमने क्या किया, इस सिर्फ गाना गाया और डांस किया। जाओ अब तुम आराम से यहाँ से जाओ, भागो। और अपना दरवाज़ा उन्होंने उसके लिए बंद कर दिया। तो ठीक है ना बच्चों, जो मेहनत नहीं करता उसके साथ ऐसा ही होना चाहिए। Now learn the new words. Hardworking, arrived, starved, and slammed. Okay. Then we will do the exercise part. How did the grasshopper spend his days? By singing and dancing in the sunshine. Did the grasshopper find food in winter? No. What did the ant tell the grasshopper when he asked for food? She said that he was lazy and not even think about winters. Okay? And we will talk this in the classroom. And then come to the word building. Word building, circle the words that means the same, means speak, talk, complete, finish, small, little, sick, ill, big, large. And in the last is the web word, means here when you hear winter and summer, what are the words that come to your mind? Write these words in the bubbles like shoe, sweater, scarf, heaters, hot milk when winters comes. And in summers, cotton frock, ice cream, cold winter, half pant, etc. Okay. Next is the last exercise. Two pictures have been given. Here the words are synthesis is already given. These you have to write down by using this with the help of these things. Okay. A lady is cycling. A lady is cutting grass. A man is running, a man is sleeping. Two girls are playing, two girls are skipping. A dog is sleeping, a dog is drinking. And then what you have to do, you have to use he, she, or it. or they. Instead of lady, man, two girls, or a dog. Means what you have to write down. In spite of lady, what you have to do? You have to write down the she. She is cutting grass. In spite of man, you can write down he is sleeping. And for two girls, you can use they. And for dog, you have to write, sorry, they. And for dog, you have to write down it. Okay. And this way you can write on it, learn it. Thank you for watching all the videos for class 2, and kindly like and subscribe my channel.